Chicken Noodles Casserole or Garlic Chicken Noodles Kadai. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken noodles recipes and one of the most different of the chicken noodles casserole recipes and one of the most easy to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the noodles recipes and one of the most different of the garlic recipes. Today we are going to make garlic chicken noodles casserole. We have taken around 250 grams of chicken pieces. The next ingredients are around 40 cloves of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Caramel. Look at the Saute. Garlic chicken noodles. Put in the garlic pieces. Salt the garlic pieces. Put in the ginger, put in salt taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Salt thoroughly. Put in the pieces of chicken. Mix thoroughly. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Put in half a spoon to 1 spoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Put in a half spoon of coriander powder. Put in a spoon of black pepper powder. Mix the chicken pieces with the rest of the mixture. around 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Now open after cooking for the required time. Pour in 200 ml of water. Mix. And let the mixture boil. Put in the around 100 to 125 grams of noodles, maggi noodles. Break it up. And let it soften. And let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Now put in some curry leaves as garnish. Mix. Now the garlic chicken noodles casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic chicken noodles casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic chicken recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken casserole recipes and one of the most different of the chicken recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the noodles recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken noodles recipes. Like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.